loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all of the love and all of the support. I appreciate you guys so much. I got so many new subscribers over the past week or so, and thank you so much for being here. In this video, I am going to be going to like different stores like Dollar Tree and stuff like that, and I'm going to do like a little haul and just see the different things that I can find. Right now, I am out in nature, just getting me a good old walk in. It's such a beautiful day out here in South Carolina, but I just wanted to go ahead and do like a little intro and just tell you guys thank you, because I really do appreciate all the love and all of the support, and just thank you so much for being here. But anyway, I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna enjoy my walk, and I will be back soon, and we're gonna go on a little adventure together. It's such a nice day. I decided to get an ice cream cone. Like, I just couldn't resist. Made it to the first Dollar Tree. This one is a little ratchet, so it might be a little crazy in here, but I wanted to come to this one as well just to see what I could find. I don't know why I thought that I would find way more than what I'm finding. I only found one thing, and then the line is like super long. I'm gonna go to the one near my house. Normally it's not like too crazy, because I don't live like, you know, I live kind of like in the country, so it don't be like a lot of people out there really. Y'all, when I tell you, these are like the best hair bows I've ever had, especially since they're satin. I am about to get a couple packs because, baby, I love these. I can't lie, I'm a little skeptical about these, but I'm going to scan them on the Yuka app to see if they're good. This cup is super duper cute. I am not going to get it, but that's really cute, and so is this one. Y'all, I could literally scream right now. So I just recorded like basically all of the rest of the video, and guess what? My freaking mic wasn't on. So it's all good. I'm just going to start over. Some of the stuff is going to already be open because I literally just opened it when I was going over everything with you guys. But I ended up getting roughly about like 14 to 15 items. I spent roughly about $21. I don't have my receipt, so I don't know the exact price, but I am going to just go over everything all over again. So I started off by showing the Brow Freeze Sculpting Gel. This is just like a eyebrow gel. Normally I use like the e.l.f. eyebrow gel, but I just wanted to try something different, or even I would use like gel. This is how it looks. And to me, it kind of looks like an edge control. It kind of looks like an edge control. If you know, you know. But yeah, so I am not going to try it right now, of course, but I will definitely give you guys an update about it soon and let y'all know what my thoughts are on it. I also found a lip plumping kit. It comes with an exfoliating scrub. It comes with a hydro gel lip mask and a lip plumper as well. I am not going to try this right now, but I definitely will try it. I plan on scanning this on the Yuka app just in case, because I'm really skeptical about like what I put on my skin and stuff like that. So I'm definitely scanning it. This is something that like really caught me off guard. I found these dental whitening strips. They are coconut oil infused, and when I scanned these on the Yuka app, they're actually pretty darn good. So I'm excited to try these. I think when I scanned them on the Yuka app, it was like 86%, which is pretty decent. So I am going to try these out, and I'll definitely let you guys know my thoughts on them. It says that you have to leave them on for like 30 minutes, and you should notice like results in as little as 3 days. So definitely going to try these out and let y'all know what I think about them. So when I was just like walking around and stuff, I stumbled across this book. It is called Eating Salad Drunk. This book is by Gabe Henry. I believe it was probably only $1. I'm not really sure, or $1.25, but it seems to be pretty funny. Like, it looks like a poetry type book, but It's like just little quotes from like different people. And from what I read, it was like pretty funny so far. So I don't know. I just got this book because I just wanted something different to read. I also got these. These are the Grin Smooth Gentle Floss Picks. And normally I don't use this type of floss all the time. I call this lazy floss. Normally I just use like the string floss. I did already open them because I wanted to see like how they looked, and they are pink. But I did see like good reviews on this, so I think these are gonna be like really good. So I don't know, I'll give them a shot. This is a travel toothbrush. It's just like a typical travel toothbrush, and it's electric as well. So the bristles seem to be like pretty soft. But I definitely needed one of these because I will be traveling soon. So, as I just said, I'm going to be traveling soon. So I got me a little shower travel kit. It comes with a toothbrush cover. It comes with a sponge. It comes with 2 traveling bottles. And it also comes with a jar as well. So here's the size of the little bottles. I probably put my body wash in this. I don't believe I'll be like taking my shampoo and stuff because I plan on possibly getting like braids or something. And then I'm not sure what I'm even going to put in here, but I'm going to use it for something. And you can't go wrong with a cute little sponge. Oh, I'm finally caught up to like where I would be in my other video before I realized I wasn't recording. I'm glad I realized I wasn't recording, or I'm sorry, my mic wasn't on. I'm glad I realized my mic wasn't on before I kept talking, because that really would have made me upset if I like finished the whole video and it has no sound. I would have been furious. But anyway, so now we still got some more stuff to go through. All right, so I needed some more hand soap in the bathroom. This is just Dial Vanilla Honey hand soap. Normally these smell like pretty good and they're really soft on the hands. So, and they're antibacterial. So I mean, why not? Or I lied. I thought that said antibacterial. It said away bacteria. My bad. I need some Dove beauty cream. It says you can use it on your face or body. I probably won't use it on either. I'm probably just going to use this like for my hands. I'm going to leave it in my purse, but it smells really good. So I'm just going to have this in my purse for like my hands and stuff. I also found some LA Colors Bold Lash. LA Colors Bold Lash. This is mascara. I'm not really sure if this is gonna be good or not. I just wanted to I don't know. I was just trying this stuff. So I'm about to open it up and see what the brush looks like. This is what the brush looks like. I mean, I guess that's okay. I'm not sure if this is going to be good or not, but I guess we will see. But the colors are really cute. I seen this little hair bow. I thought it was pretty cute. It's stretchy. I be needing stretch. So I'm happy with this. Don't walk, run and go get these. Especially if you have like thick hair like me. These are the freaking truth. So normally when I would like want like a tight ponytail, I would use like, you know, like regular hair bows. I usually would get them like from the dollar store. They're pretty stretchy. Sorry, I just got a message. But anyway, these things, they have like such a tight hold. I want to show y'all, but I don't have any scissors nearby. But you get the picture. Like, look how stretchy that is. Like, I literally can wrap this around my hair 3 times. And then, you know, with it being satin, it's better for our hair. So if you've never tried these, make sure you go get some from them, because these are the absolute truth. I even got 2. That's how it really was. But make sure you go get some. Also found some lip gloss. This is the LA Colors Juicy Cakes. It's like a shimmery type lip gloss, I believe. But I thought this color was really cute, so So why not? I thought the color was cute, and hey, I love me a good lip gloss. But you see it, it's shimmery. Let's see how it shows up. Oh, that's pretty. I can't wait to try it out. I'll have to let you guys know what I feel about that as well, or my thoughts on it. Down to the last two things in my bag. I got some little sponges. I guess I'm going to use these for like my under eye when I do like makeup and stuff. And then I also got some eyeshadow. I don't even wear eyeshadow, so I don't even know why I got this for real, but it's just like your typical nudes, and I feel like you can't go wrong with like a nude eyeshadow. I probably can like blend this in with like my concealer or something. This is how it looks. And them shimmery ones are really cute. But anyway, thank you so much for liking my video. Oh, I said liking. I'm already speaking it into existence. But yeah, thank you for liking my video. But what I meant to say, thank you so much for all of the support and all of the love. Thank you guys for subscribing to me. I just got like a decent amount of subscribers out of like nowhere from my last video. So thank you so much for everyone that just came to my channel, and all of you that have been here for a little while as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the love and all of the support. But that is it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned because you already know your girl will be back soon. Bye for now.